All right. Good morning. It is a gray and damp day out. Saturday, this is the ET8, and Saturday it ran for a little bit, but it was really having trouble getting fuel, and I just had trouble getting it to start again. So I tore the carburetor apart and just cleaned it. I did get some particles out, so I don't know if it cut one of the O-rings again because of the low machining of it, or what happened there. But I put it back together. I also checked the head to see if there was some carbon buildup. There was not any carbon in there, but I got impatient and I thought, well, I put this together, I will see if I can get it to run. So let's see. It's closed. Spark is on. Alright. Didn't think it would start like that because I have not primed it at all. Let's exhaust. Oh, look at that. I didn't think that priming with the carburetor would work like that. Alright. Alright. That is a really wide open setting. I don't know. That sounds really wet. hardest part about getting this engine started is just that it needs a lot of choke and a warm-up. So I end up opening the needle valve really wide and then having to close it down again once it starts to get fuel and run a little bit. And I'm going to have to figure out a better starting procedure for that. But we'll warm it up and let it go for a bit.